Alright, check it out, guys. This is well, look, this fat guy right here helps me out and getting me a car. Alright? And this switch right here, washing dishes, it's my mom. Alright, this is what they did for me. Alright, check it out. It's a junker and all, but it's my junker. It's a Grand Prix 82, I think. No, 85, my bad. Project car, huge trunk. Definitely gonna fit 415, so keep an eye out for that. Take out the system out of the Cadillac. Put it in here. I'm gonna keep the Cadillac still though. So it runs, it's pretty good. I like it. Clean tag, clean title. Pretty good. Just imagine some 24s boxed up, 415s, some candy paint. Should look nice. Alright, so next update video I'm gonna be doing the big 3, setting up my system, brand new battery, brand new high output alternator. Well, that one's the old one, but it's gonna be brand new. I already bought one. Has no stereo on right now. Pretty good dash. Everything's pretty good. Let me pop the trunk for y'all. Kind of ghetto and all, but check it out. Let me just open it up real quick. Hold tight. Check it out. Bam! Big ass trunk. Definitely gonna be putting 415s, some by-9s in the back. Just keep a lookout. It's pretty badass. Alright. Alright guys, so I just picked up my alternator. 250 amp alternator. Check it out. It's a volume grade. It's one of the higher ones they had at AutoZone. Wanted to get it raggy, but there it is. 250 amp. Ready to go, ready to be installed and shit. Got the 4 gauge. Should be installing by this weekend. Alright, check this out guys. I got my subs connected here at the park. Mostly alone. I got my iPod as a head unit temporarily until I get my double din. Alright, so there's my switch from my app. I got some major flex. Not sure what the song's called, but because I have no doors. But here we go. Some trunk flex. Might be kind of loud because the car's passing by, but here we go. See what we can do.